Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make an automatic fish farm. Find a deep space in the open ocean, like this. Start by building your base. Your base can be made of any block. Your base can also be any size as you wish. I will skip towards when I'm done building this base. Once you're done with your base, get redstone blocks and start replacing some of the base blocks with the redstone. Like this. I would suggest using 2 or 1 because this will be used to power our rail tracks. Next, start by placing the rails in this certain pattern. Once you are done with that, place 1 block on each side and 2 blocks inside of the middle. Ignore the hoppers and the chest in the middle because that will become irrelevant later. Just place 5 hoppers facing towards the middle on both sides. Under the 2 blocks, place a chest there. And then once you destroy the blocks on top of the chest, place the hopper facing down to avoid the problem and mistake that I just created in this video. Next, start by placing the magma blocks on top. Place 1 normal rail, both on each side, and add power rails on top of the hoppers. Now power the rails with any redstone block. Next, you're gonna want to get any block, I'm using glass, to place on the sides. This is so the fish don't escape once they get into the magma trap. Next, add your minecart with hopper. This food maker is very good at catching any sea creature that I have in my hotbar. Turtles can drop seagrass, which is good for making seaweed. Dolphins drop fish, which is directly from their stomachs. Any other fish, they drop directly from their flesh. Any of the drops we collected in this chest. Thanks for watching and have a good one.